Hello. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store on your VIVO V23. So as you can see, if I type in Call of Duty, I won't be able to find the game on my Google Play Store. And in order to fix that, we'll need to press on our profile icon and then go to the settings, then family, parental controls, and from here you can fix it two ways. So the first one is to just disable parental controls. Now you'll need to type in the PIN and then press OK. The other way is to go to apps and games, type in your PIN and change it to PEGI18. Now press save, and if we go back and try looking for Call of Duty again, it should be here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.